Angeles Public Safety and for the operations of the Los Angeles Fire Department, I just met with Chief Crowley and removed her as Fire Chief. I have appointed a 41-year veteran of the Fire Department, former Chief Deputy Ronnie Villanueva, as interim Fire Chief. I have called for a full investigation of everything leading up to January 7th. A necessary step to the investigation was the president of the Fire Commission telling Chief Crowley to do an after-action report on the fires. The fire chief refused. We all know that 1,000 firefighters that could have been on duty on the morning the fires broke were instead sent home on Chief Crowley's watch. These actions required